Get 'em real clean, girl, just the way I like 'em. The way I like fresh, just the way I like. Yeah, get 'em real clean, girl, just the way I like 'em. The way I like. Ain't no other way to rock 'em, baby.
Girl J. Marie, y'all, I love designing shoes. Before we start painting though, we want to clean our surface, and I use Angela's cleaner. Some people are out here using hand soap, dish soap, bleach. Here's a better way. I'm gonna show you these befores and afters. These things are so dirty. I don't want to just start painting on them. See that? Now that you have your crispy, clean foundation. I didn't say Krispy Kreme, but I am hungry though. Crispy, clean. Go ahead and start laying your paint, your glitter, your vinyl, and I'm gonna be doing that later. It's gonna take a while to clean your dirty shoes, but in the end, you will be satisfied. Design options are limitless, but some of my favorites are freehand artwork, airbrush, stencil, to name a few. If you like this video, click like and subscribe down below. Comment if you want to. It's not gonna hurt nothing.
Ain't no other way to rock 'em, baby.